everyone, I am here to review the November 2019 PupMom crate. I wanted to go ahead and show you guys what's inside. The PupMom crate is such a cute little subscription box. It is for moms and basically their little fur babies. So there's things in here for moms and there's things in here for dogs. So this one will show you, the very top part, will show you what's in here. So our November box, it looks like there's a toy, a gym bag, photo cards, an eye mask. It looks like there's some jerky strips, thank you cards, nail decals, dog treats, and then more treats. Wow, okay. So there's a lot of stuff in this box. And then of course you can also share the love, take a picture and tag them, and you can win monthly giveaways by doing this. So here's the first part of the box. Oh, and then if you do have a birthday in that month, they will also include a little happy birthday cookie for the dog, which is really cute. So that's the first item. And then here is the Llama Toy. This is going to end up going to Rocky. Because Rocky, he's 7 pounds and he loves toys. And this toy is probably half the size of him. But he will be dragging this around the house because he loves toys so much. So here's the little Llama Toy. Then we've got, oh, there's a few in here. Some eye masks. So self-warming eye masks. Oh, these are nice. These are really cool. So these are for mom. Cheesy granola bar. Ooh, obviously this is for a doggy. So that looks kind of neat. Salmon cutlets, dog treats, 100% human grade. I like how all their dog treats are really good quality. Then we've got the little jerky strips, 100% natural, in a resealable bag, which is nice. And of course, my dogs would probably take that in 2 seconds. Then we've got nail wraps with little cute paw prints on them. That's cute. Then we've got the thank you cards. Those are cute. And then these are the photo cards where you can like stick them next to the dog when you're taking pictures, like sun's out, tongue's out, silly things when you're taking pictures. These are really cute. And then a nice gym bag that says best dog mom ever. So overall, I'm really impressed. I get this crate every month and I love this subscription box. It is so cute. And if you're looking for stuff for your dog and for you to be able to share, and you like little things that say like dog mom and stuff, these are really adorable. So again, I'm just putting over here pretty much everything that came in this box so that you guys can see. I mean, these are full-sized items, so they do great. These aren't just little cheap samples. And you get a lot of stuff in these boxes. So overall, I'm really impressed. And if you guys are really interested, I would definitely check out PupMom Crate.